In today's video, I will be showing you how to do a repeating sequence with this hack here in Google Sheets. So let's start with the basics. How do we create a sequence? A simple sequence would start with the equal sign, type in sequence, select it right here. Here we have our syntax. The number of rows would be how long your sequence would be. Number of columns would be how many times it would be repeated within your columns. The starting point and the step. So the number of rows would be, let's say I want a sequence of up to 1 of 5. So I'm just going to put in 5 rows. Just one column. The start would be number 1. And the step would be a 1 as well. So I want it increasing by 1. That's 1 to 5. Press enter. There you have it. If I repeat that to sequence right here and just put in number 5, it will be the same thing. So whether that's filled up or not, it will give us the same results. But this one would come in handy later. So we're just going to delete that and use this one right here. Let's say I want this repeated 5 times in this column right here. So instead of copying this and then putting it right here, what I can do is to create another sequence right here with our columns. So equal sign, another sequence function. The number of rows this time would be a 1. So I want all those numbers to fill in our columns instead of our rows. Comma. I want that repeated 3 times. Our start would be a 1, then a 0. There you have it. So there's no increase with our numbers. That's with a 0. We started with a 1 and it stayed as a 1 because of the 0. And it fills 3 columns right here. So what I'm going to do this time would be to multiply this range to this range to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeating the sequence in these 3 columns right here. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to move this right here. There we go. So let's multiply these to this right here to populate this area. Repeat that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go ahead and start with your equal sign. Select this range right here, asterisk or multiplied to this one. Now we're going to enclose this within an array formula. Control-Shift-Enter. That's your shortcut. Press enter, and here we have it. We have repeated that sequence 3 times. Now what if we want the order to be in just one column? So we want the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to be using the to-column formula to do that. And we're going to insert it right here after our array formula. Your open parentheses to call. If we press enter, that is what it's going to look like. So instead of having the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it has ordered our numbers to have 1s first, then 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5. To change the order of our sequence, we're just going to be adding a true value right here. So that's comma, comma, true. And that's going to be sorting our column in this order. There you have it. Now we have the sequence that we want. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 repeated 3 times. So within each sequence, place a part in what our final sequence would look like. And instead of having those cell references, we're just going to put in the sequence functions right here. So this is our first sequence. Close that off. Type in sequence. Number of rows would be 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma, 1 column, starting from 1, and step would be 1. Close that off. Our next one would be, again, sequence function, the number of rows. The next one would be 3. This is important because this is how many times your sequence will be repeated in that column. Next one, comma, R1, then R0, close that off, press enter, and it will give us the same results. Now we can just delete these ones right here, and there you have it. So if you want a different sequence, you can start editing your first sequence function right here. So let's say you want it to start from 0. If you press enter, your sequence will start to 0, still repeated, still up to 5 rows. There you go, 0124, 0124. If you want to edit the difference between each number or the number it increases by, you can edit this last part right here. Let's say we want it 036912. So let's just put a 3 right there, press enter, and there you have it, 036912. Now let's say you want this sequence to be repeated 5 times. That part would be in the second sequence function. Here we have 3. If we put in 5, because I want it repeated 5 times, press enter, there you have it, 0 to 12 repeated 5 times here on our spreadsheet. Now, if you want the order, what we had before, where we have the zeros first, then the 3s, then the 6, you can just remove the true value right here, press enter, there you have it. You have a different order of having all those zeros first, then the 3s, then the 6, and so on. So that's how you can do this repeating sequence with this hack here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.